Hi, I'm Carmen Martin with Aero-Marine out of Ontario, California, and we're here today at the Los Angeles Boat Show. Today we're demoing our Aero-Marine windshield kit. It's a three-piece, all acrylic, cast acrylic windshield assembly. We are using this in a lot of our manufacturers' product lines. Currently, what we're doing is taking a fiberglass deck section and integrating that into the hull, and then attaching a 5-axis CNC'd programmed tooling windshield that integrates into the deck successfully and flawlessly. Our builders are working towards symmetry. They're understanding that with production, cutting down time and expense is having a part that's integrated into the hull that fits, that goes on the boat flawlessly and works every time. We focus on optics and clarity to deliver a custom part to our manufacturers.